Rupal from Lexis & Company. Today I am here to tell you about the last and the final writ, that is the writ of certiorari. The writ of certiorari is a legal remedy that allows a higher court to review the decision of a lower court or tribunal. The term certiorari is derived from a Latin term and means to be informed or to be made certain. The writ of certiorari is issued by a higher court such as Supreme Court or an appellate court to review the proceedings of a lower court or to determine whether any errors of law have been committed. In India, the power to issue the writ of certiorari is granted to the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution and to the High Court under Article 226. The purpose of the writ is to ensure that the legal proceedings are conducted fairly within the bounds of the law and in accordance with the principles of natural justice. To obtain a writ of certiorari, the petitioner must establish the following. First, the existence of a lower court or tribunal whose decision is being challenged. Second, the lower court or tribunal has acted without jurisdiction or in excess of its jurisdiction. Third, there is an error of law apparent on the face of the record, or the decision is manifestly unjust or prejudicial. If the higher court finds merits in the ground presented, it may issue a writ of certiorari which effectively quashes the decision of the lower court and prevents its enforcement. The higher court may then either remand the case back to the lower court for reconsideration or substitute its own decision. The writ of certiorari is an important mechanism to ensure the proper administration of justice, to correct legal errors and to safeguard the rights of individuals involved in legal proceedings. It allows for a review of lower court decisions to maintain consistency, fairness and adherence to legal principles. So I hope that was clear. If you have any further doubts, please comment down below. Thank you.